What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen once again with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. We're gonna keep going. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make spicy salmon tacos. Oh my goodness, I've been on this salmon kick lately, guys. I don't know if because I'm over here on the island and there's seafood just everywhere, but I am on this salmon kick, and when I tell you these salmon tacos are delicious, yes, they are delicious. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have here. So we're gonna start in the back. We have right here some tortillas right here, sour cream, salt, some olive oil, avocado. We have some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. We have an onion, lime, paprika, pepper, black pepper. We have the salmon and some lettuce. So these are the ingredients, guys, we're gonna use. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start preparing our salmon. So right here I have about 1.5 pounds of salmon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our olive oil and I'm just going to put a little bit over the skin of each salmon. There I go with that salmon again, salmon. And I'm gonna rub it all over the skin of the salmon like this. All right, and we're gonna flip it over. And we're gonna do pretty much the same thing, just a little bit on the front. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is prepare our chipotle mixture. So let me tell you what I have right here. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, have 3 tablespoons of those chipotle peppers in that adobo sauce. I chopped it up finely. Right here I have about 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and right here I have 1 teaspoon of salt. So what we're gonna do is we're going to just mix this into this cup right here. So we're gonna add our salt. Guys, you don't have to add the salt if you don't want to. You can completely leave that out. Our lime juice, put our pepper here, and we're gonna put our chipotle mixture here. And what we're gonna do now is just give that a mix like this. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let that sit here for about 10 minutes, let those ingredients marry each other and get them all together, and we'll be right back. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're about to get a little dirty, get our hands a little dirty. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take our chipotle mixture and we're going to just rub it all over our salmon. Rub a little bit over here like this. Turn it over. And we definitely want to get this all rubbed in on the front. All right, so that's what we have. So all right, let's go ahead and move on. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to cook the salmon. Now, you typically can put this in an oven and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes in the oven, but since where I'm at, I don't have an oven, but I do have my air fryer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it in our air fryer, and I've already preheated it for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna stick my salmon in the air fryer and I'm gonna let this cook. We'll do about 12 minutes on this and see how it looks. All right, so let me go ahead and put this in here. We're gonna set the temperature to 400 degrees. All right, and we're gonna let this bad baby cook for about 12 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, so while our salmon is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our chipotle cream sauce to apply to our salmon tacos once they're finished. So let me tell you what I got here. I got a cup of sour cream. Right here I have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, tablespoon of lime juice, and I have 2 chipotle peppers chopped up, and also 1/2 tablespoon of the sauce that it was in. So this is what we're gonna use for our cream sauce. So what we're gonna do is gonna start just combining all of those ingredients. Let me turn this off because we look like we're there on our salmon. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add our sour cream to this bowl. I really don't have a smaller bowl at the moment, so that's why I'm putting it in this big bowl. We're gonna add our Chipotle peppers and the adobo sauce. Add our salt, the paprika, and we're gonna add the lime juice. And of course, we're gonna give this a good mix like this. Look, just like that, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and check on our salmon. All right, guys, so this is what we have. Oh my goodness, look at that salmon. All right, so I'm going ahead and remove it and put it on a cutting board, and we'll be right back. All right, so now that I've put our salmon on a cutting board, so what we're gonna do now is, I'm gonna move this over here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fork the meat. So we're just gonna take it off the skin like this. And when I fork it off, I'm just gonna add it over here to a plate right here. Yeah, look at this. See how that is? You just wanna, this came right on off. So you just wanna take that off like that. Gotta get it forked up a little bit, okay? And we're just gonna put this on our plate just like that, all right? And we're gonna do the other one the same way. See, it just comes right off the skin like that. And we're just gonna sit this on this plate here. Let's take a look at that. Yep, all right, be right back. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to warm our tortillas up. So I'm just gonna put them right here in this pan like this. And I'm going to let them cook. Well, I wouldn't say cook. Let's just say we're gonna let them warm up for 1 minute per side. I got the fire on medium heat. And after 1 minute, we're gonna turn them over and let them do the other side, cook, warm on the other side, and then we'll get back to building our tacos, all right? All right, guys, I'm turning them over now, like that. All right, so it looks like they're done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove them, set them here over here on a cutting board, and we're gonna move this over to our counter, and this is what we have before I move on, and we're gonna go over here and start building our tacos, okay? All right, I'll be right back. All right, so let's start building our taco. I'm telling you, this is the fun part right here. So I'm gonna take one of our tortillas, add some lettuce on there like that. Okay, you guys see me? Got the lettuce there like that. Add a few onions here like that. Put a little avocado here. And we're gonna add the star of the show. Man, guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add some of our Chipotle cream sauce, just like that. Take a look at that. Ooh-wee. What you guys think about that? All right, so let me go ahead and get the rest of these tacos prepared, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Spicy salmon tacos with a Chipotle cream sauce. Hey guys, I know you're going to enjoy this, man. Let's take a look at this thing. I'm gonna bring it up closer to you. Look at that. You gotta tell me, you know that this is it. This is it, guys. I'm telling you. So the measurements and the ingredients are all in the video description below, along with the links if you need any of these items. That All Wings Everything merch, of course, in the video description below. Also, thanks for all the support, buying the merch, also the applaud button, contributing to the channel. All that helps, guys. I really appreciate it. And until then, we're gonna go ahead and get into this quality control, because that's what it's about. All right, let's go. All right, so it's time to do some quality control. So take another look at that. Man, you see the smile on my face? I'm already ready for this. So I'm just gonna take one of these tacos like this. Just gonna fold it up. That's all you gotta do, guys. Just fold it up. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so let's bite into this and see what it's about. Man, this cream sauce, this Chipotle cream sauce, guys, it's not spicy. I know you're gonna think, because we use those Chipotle peppers, that it's spicy. It's not spicy. Not even the salmon. This is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Should I eat the whole thing while I'm here on camera? Should I torture you guys like that? To the end, I'm your cook, Spinelli. All things, every wings. That's why I want to say all things, every wings. All wings, everything, and I'm out. Peace.